How to use Bityard as a beginner. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on Bityard, how to use Bityard to buy and sell crypto coins. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you will simply go to bityard.com and you will get on this platform right here. Bityard is a very famous world's leading crypto platform that allows you to buy and sell Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Doji, and other altcoins. You will be able to make money. There are a lot of options available. I will give you a tutorial on how to use bityard.com. So let's get into it. Before we begin the video, I just want to clarify that this video is not a financial advice and I am not a financial advisor. Trading in crypto and buying and selling crypto involves a high degree of risk, or whether you afford to lose money or not. I am giving you a tutorial on the platform Bityard, and this video is not a financial advice. That being said, let's jump into it. So to get started with Bityard, what you can do is you can enter your email address right here and get started. We also get the get started option right here, or we can log in. So I'm gonna go ahead and quickly log into my Bityard. After the initial sign up or log in, you will be able to get all of these different options. You can see we have markets, and in markets I will be able to check all of the sports, perpetual futures, light contracts, everything, the tokens. Then we have buy crypto option. Then we have spot trading, where we have classic, advanced, and convert. Then we have derivatives. In derivatives we have coinem, light contracts, leverage tokens, and more. Then we have copy trading, affiliate, and mystery box option as well to earn through Bityard. So I will simply open up the markets and let me show you the different coins available in the marketplace. So right now we are on spot trading, and you can see right here we have different perpetuals available here. First of all, you can select any of from here, such as Metaverse. If you want to go with GameFi, Layer 2, Meme, DeFi, or Storage, so you will select the one you want to go for. I am going with all. And then you can see we have all the lists available here. We have BTC and USDT, Ethereum and USDT, Link and USDT. All of the famous ones are available here. This is the price. This is the percentage right here. 24-hour percentage. Then we have 24-hour high, 24-hour low, 24-hour volume, and trade given here. So to trade in any of the spots, you just need to click on trade option, and then it will take you to your wallet, and you can just simply go ahead and start trading. We can also connect our crypto wallet to our Bityard. I think I'm gonna connect my MetaMask. So getting a MetaMask is really easy, and it's one of the easiest crypto wallets to get. If you want to get a depth insight to any of the perpetual, for example this one right here, and I want to check out BTC and USDT, so I will just open it up. So it has opened up this for me, our trading view, and again you can select the perpetual from here. So we have BTC and USDT. This is the last price, and this is 24-hour change. As per the look of Bityard, it's very similar to Binance. If you use Binance, then it's going to be quite similar, because you can see right here, even the look, the color, everything, and this screen as well, it's very similar to Binance. But we're talking about Bityard, and it has its own features and tools. So you can see this is where you will be selecting your coin, and after that, this is the view that we get. And what we can do now is I can just check out, and the first thing that we do is we can select the time here. So I'm gonna go with a daily view, not 4 hours. I'm gonna go with 1 day, and it will show me that what happened with this coin right here, this perpetual, throughout the day. So I will be able to check the prices right here. At every point I am getting the highest and the lowest prices. Then I'm getting 24-hour volume, the trading view, everything is given here. We are also getting a bar right here. So you can see this is our live price. This is 24-hour change, 24-hour change percentage, highest, lowest, and 24-hour volume. From here you select the time, and then we have indicators. So if you want to go with an indicator, you can use this option. I can also expand and go to a full screen mode for this one, but for now I'm not going to do that because I need to show you the other options as well. Then of course we can take a snapshot of our trading view right here, and then we have other tools as well. When it comes to trading, we can use our these indicators. We have graphs and bars and lines that we can use on our graph right here. Then we have order book. So this is where you will be ordering, and you will be able to simply scroll down, and here we have the limit and the market. So buy BTC and short BTC. So what I'm gonna go with, go with buy, and let's go with, this is the price right now for USDT, and you can see it's updating every second right here. So I'm gonna enter my amount. Let's go ahead with maybe 200. So you will be able to see the USD right here that I will have to pay. Maybe I can go with 20 or maybe 2. So this is the price that we will be getting, and I will be able to buy BTC right here, and we can select the percentage as well. Then we have short BTC option as well, deposit. When it comes to the recent trades, you will be able to find them right here. We have the time given, price, and amount. So this is what the recent trades look like, and I will also be able to check my history right here, my order history, trade history, and funds. So this is the look of Bityard, and you can just open up any of the different coins and then check it out. You will be able to get your graph right here, and then your limit and market, and all of the order book is given right here. So you can just select any of these from here. This was for BTC and USDT. I can go with others as well, such as Ethereum and USDT, and you can see it will update the graph and everything. So this is the graph for Ethereum, and you can see right here it was quite low, and then it's going up. So of course you will get in-depth view of it, and you can get more insights to it. You can read the graph if you have the knowledge, and then you will be able to simply use Bybit to do spot trading, to do actually to buy and sell crypto as well. Let me take you to the buy crypto option now. So this is where we buy crypto on Bityard. So to buy crypto, what I'm gonna do is I will simply, this is what I will receive, and this is what I will be spending. So you select the coin, any coin you want to go for. I have selected BTC, and this is the price in graph for BTC. So it was quite low, and now it's actually going a little up. Keep in mind, all of the prices that I'm showing right now are at the time of making this video, and they may vary when you are checking out Bityard. Right now we have like a Bitcoin, and you can see like this is the graph. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna select the coin right here, the token that I'm going for. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go with USDT and receive. So I'm gonna go with 10. Let's go with 10. And you will see I will be spending 10 USD. This is what I will be spending. So I'm going to go with USD, of course, and I will be spending 1,000. So because of the USDT and USD difference, it's kind of like the same. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go with BTC, and let's check it out right now. So this is the spended, this is the receive. And if I scroll down, then I will be able to check the payment channels. So these are the different payment channels that I can use. So we can go with these different channels, and they support all of these different methods. For example, we have Visa card, MasterCard, Apple Pay, and then we have Google Pay as well. So whatever suits you the most, or like Visa or MasterCard, I personally go with this one, and we can just go with these, and they will also show you the price for BTC and what you will be getting. So I will be getting with 1,000 USD, I will be getting 0.04 BTC, and now I can just buy this with simple card, like my debit card. That's how easy it is to buy crypto with Bityard. So they show you different channels and their rates right here. The one you like the most, you can just go with that. When you can see they have a difference in the pricing that what you will be receiving. So in 1,000 USD, you can get like 0.4. If you kind of like go with more, maybe 30,000, then you can see I'm getting 1.2 BTC. So let's check out the price now. And you can see it will update the price for you guys, and you will be able to see them right here. And you can see this is what I will receive for $30,000 at the time of making this video. So this is how you can check the rate and calculate, and then simply buy the crypto with your debit card with any of the payment channels. So this is how we buy crypto. I showed you the marketplace as well. Then there are other options as well, such as spot trading, derivatives, which gives us a leverage token, and we will be able to check them out right here. We also have a mystery box on Bityard, which has daily mining and mystery box right here, and copy trading, of course. So you can go ahead and check out Bityard right now to simply buy and sell in crypto. It's a really good platform out there, very easy to use, and you can sign up for free for Bityard, and then you can select the coin of your choice, check it out, and simply start trading or simply buy the coin of your choice. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you and now you know how to use a Bityard. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification and subscribe to the YouTube channel.